Introducing Lennar's Auburn Village. A vibrant 55-plus active adult community conveniently located in an exceptional triangle location, just minutes from downtown Garner and a short drive to Raleigh. Experience the convenience of desirable ranch floor plans with single-level living and low-maintenance lifestyle. Resort-style amenities include spacious residence clubhouse, a fitness center with yoga studio, zero-entry heated saltwater pool with swim lanes, pickleball and bocce ball courts, and beautiful walking trails, and on-site lifestyle director to facilitate events. Enjoy easy access to White Oak Crossings, a lifestyle center with shopping and dining, as well as the Rex Wellness Center and WakeMed Health facilities, all near the I-40 and upcoming I-540 expansion. Discover the luxury and convenience of a charming community with desirable floor plans by one of the country's most reliable and trusted home builders. Auburn Village by Lennar. Contact us today to schedule an appointment.